How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about how to order coffee in English like a native today.
Oh, perfect topic. I kinda need more coffee myself.
Same here. I only had 1 cup, and now my brain is like, please help me.
By the way, for anyone watching, I'm John.
And I'm Emma. Hi, everyone.
We're just 2 friends from the US who love talking about everyday English stuff.
And drinking way too much coffee.
Way too much.
So, before we talk about ordering coffee, John, how do you usually start your morning?
I roll out of bed, check my phone, think about going to the gym, and then don't go.
Classic.
Then I make my coffee. Big cup. Like, huge.
Oh, yeah. I've seen your coffee mug. It's basically a bucket.
What about you?
I like slow mornings. I make a small cup first. I sit on my couch. I look out the window like I'm in a movie.
Very dramatic. Okay. So ordering coffee. This is actually something many English learners worry about.
Yes, because cafes can be loud, people speak fast, and the menu can be confusing.
And the barista might say, "What can I get started for you?"
Oh, that one scares so many people.
So let's break it down.
Nice and slow.
Usually, the barista will say something like, "Hi, what can I get for you?"
Or, hi there, what can I get started for you?
Or sometimes, "Hey, what can I get you?" That's very casual.
And what should you say?
You can just say, "Hi, can I get a small coffee, please?"
It's simple, clear, friendly.
And "can I get" is very natural in the US.
Yes, not I want, not give me.
Yeah, give me a coffee is not great.
Very strong. Very bossy. Now, Americans love options.
Too many options.
Way too many.
Way too many. You can say things like, "Can I get a medium latte with oat milk? Can I get an iced coffee with a little cream? Can I get a caramel latte, not too sweet?"
Not too sweet is a great phrase.
Yes, because sometimes coffee drinks taste like candy.
True. I remember when I visited New York, I tried to order coffee so fast because the line was long.
Oh no.
I panicked. I said, "Can I get, the brown one?"
The brown one.
I know. The barista just stared at me.
Did you get your coffee?
Yes, somehow, but it tasted like stress.
So what helps you sound more natural?
Honestly, smiling.
Yes. Huge difference.
And saying please and thank you.
Like, "Can I get a small cappuccino, please?"
Thank you. Also, Americans often say that's it or that's all at the end of the order.
Example. "Can I get a large iced coffee with milk and that's it?"
Very common.
Okay, big question.
Yes. What happens if the barista says something and you have no idea what they said?
You can just say, "Sorry, can you say that one more time? Sorry, can you say that more slowly?" Or, "What does that mean?"
Americans don't mind, really.
No one is judging you.
We can barely order coffee ourselves sometimes.
True.
When your coffee is ready, you might hear, "Latte for Emma," or "John, your iced coffee," or "Mobile order for Emma."
And sometimes they say your name wrong.
Oh yes, they once wrote my name as Elma.
Like, fruit.
Exactly.
Let's show a simple natural order.
Great idea.
"Hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?"
Sure. Anything else?
Nope, that's it. Thank you.
Awesome. Your total is $4.75.
Great, thanks.
Boom. Easy.
Nice and friendly.
So, if you're learning English, remember, keep it simple, smile, and say please.
Yes, and don't worry if you mess up.
Everyone messes up.
Even Elma.
Hey,
Thanks for hanging out with us today.
we hope this helps you order coffee like a native.
And enjoy your drink without stress.
See you in the next video.